Top 5 tech advancements that are driving AI adoption. Number one is just generative AI or GPTs, generative pre trained transformers. That is the chatbots that you and I know. Up until about 10 years ago, those didn't exist in any format. And now they've gone into multimodal. At first, it was just text. You put in a question, it kicked back out an answer. Number two is multimodal and reasoning models. This is a step further than just a basic GPT. These have the ability to use multiple GPTs simultaneously, giving them the concept of a neural network, similar to the way the human brain works, allowing them to quote unquote think. Number three is agentic or autonomous AI systems. These are really just starting to take root in all forms of AI. Within ChatGPT, for instance, if you go to the agent mode, it'll pop up a mini version of the browser so you can actually see it working the internet and doing things for you. Number four is customized silicon. These are the chips that actually run AI. When AI first popped onto the scene with ChatGPT in 2022 for the public, it was running off of very basic GPUs or graphical processing units. That's the stuff that you play video games on your PC. And since then, NVIDIA, ARM, AMD, Huawei, Google, Amazon, they've all come up with their own custom silicon chips that are specifically built to process AI workloads faster and more efficiently. And as those progress and get better and better and more advanced, we're going to see some ridiculous advancements in AI here in the near future. And number five, and finally, is quantum computing. Quantum computing has been theorized for quite some time and has actually been in practice for about 15 years. But the one big problem with quantum computing is they haven't been able to give it an efficient workload, mostly due to the error. Quantum computing works very differently than our normal computers where they run on binary code. Everything is a 1 or a 0. Quantum computing can actually be in both states, a 1 or a 0 simultaneously, and due to that can handle immensely larger workloads than a traditional computer can. But up until just the last 18 months or so, error correcting qubits, the processing required to make a functional computer, really hasn't come online. But actually, due to some of the advancements in AI, quantum computing may become a genuine reality here in the very near future. So which one of these five has stood out to you, and which ones did I miss?